It's MissUniqueBeautii in the building, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, tap that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of my new uploads. And if you have already subscribed, what's good, what's poppin', welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Eyeshadow Therapy episode 5, and the eyeshadow palette that I'll be using today is the Festival palette by Juvia's Place. This eyeshadow palette was definitely giving me festival vibes. I really love that bright orange, the bright red, and that pretty blue color right at the bottom. And just watch to see how I incorporated all of these colors into this eyeshadow look. Now, I always start off my eyeshadow looks with my favorite holy grail eyeshadow base, which is the P. Louise eyeshadow base in the shade Rumor 2. I love this eyeshadow base. Your eyeshadow will literally last you all day long, and your eyeshadows will definitely come out pigmented when you're using this eyeshadow base. If you guys are interested in seeing how I fill, shape, and conceal my eyebrows, I will leave the link to the video that I created doing my eyebrows in the description box below. If you guys have any requests on eyeshadow palettes that you guys would like me to try out, just comment down in the description box below exactly what eyeshadow palette you would like for me to use, and I will go ahead and make a video on that for you. That's enough talking for me for now. I really hope that you guys enjoy this eyeshadow therapy video that I have created for you guys today. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. This is what my face is looking like once I went ahead and added some mascara, some eyeliner, and these beautiful 25mm eyelashes. And these eyelashes are in the style Beauty Queen, and you can get these eyelashes on my website, pressed by MissUniqueBeautii.com. I will leave the link to these lashes in the description box below. Now I'm going in with the Juvia's Place lip liner in Scorpio, and I'm using this just to outline my lips. Now I'm going to go in with this nude pink MAC lipstick in the color Nicki's Nude, and I'm going to use this on the center of my lips. Now I love the lip color. It came out actually really nice on my lips after applying this lipstick, but I do love some glossy lips, so I am going to top this lip with Iridescent Rose, which is a lip gloss that I sell on my website, and I love this lip gloss. It's like the perfect shimmery nude looking lip gloss that I made. This is the finished product of what my face looks like once I've slayed and beat my face to the gods. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below any questions that you may have, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye my beauties!